Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very exciting product. Personally, I was looking for a cleansing balm from a long time and I finally found it. I'm super happy. You already know the title and you already know the product also, but trust me guys, watch this video to know all about the good things about this particular product and you will be amazed. So yes, I am talking about the product from Plum, which is the cleansing balm. It looks like this. It comes in this kind of packaging. I have already shown this product in my Plum haul video and I've used it only once till now, but trust me guys, the experience of using this product was top notch and I had to review this product. I thought to use it 4-5 times before making this video, but trust me, this product is a superstar. You should definitely invest in this product if you're looking for a cleansing balm. I'll tell you the reasons why. So this is how the packaging looks like and this is quite expensive. This is not a very cheap product, but right now on Nykaa there is a sale going on and then Black Friday sale would be coming up, so you can definitely grab this product. This retails for 545 rupees. Currently it is on 15% off and during the Black Friday also you would be getting deals, so you can add this to your wish list and if you want to invest it right now you can buy that as well. So this is how the packaging looks like and this is how the packaging from inside looks like. It comes with this round jar and a spatula comes with this. Okay, so Be Good is written over here and then the manufacturing as well as the expiry is mentioned on the packaging, which is amazing because at times I tend to forget the expiry of the products. So when you have it on the box, you are sure that you're not going to use an expired product. Like if you are into makeup, you will be able to finish it up in the appropriate time. Okay, and here they have mentioned the name of the product, Plum E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and this is how it looks like from inside. I have used it only once, so I have used this much. Although you don't need to use too much of the quantity, which is the best part about this product. You just need to like dig your spatula into this and just take it on your skin and massage it well on your face. It immediately melts all your makeup and then you can wash your face. You can wash it with a face wash also, and then you can see there is no makeup on your face. And the best part about this product is that when you apply this, your face doesn't feel hydrated. का opposite क्या होता है? Yeah, your skin doesn't feel dehydrated at all, which is amazing. And I'm really happy to have this particular product in my skincare now, and I would highly recommend this product if you're looking for a cleansing balm. If you're into double cleansing, if you're a makeup person, you should definitely try out this. You will not regret spending money on this particular product. This is definitely a star product. I have already bought a cleansing balm from another brand which I would be sharing in my upcoming videos, but I didn't like it and it was very expensive as well. I would be sharing that review video as well very soon. So yes, this product is 5 on 5 for me. I would highly recommend this. This is expensive but it comes on deals, so you can find it on Nykaa, or I think you can find this on their website also if it comes on discount. So yeah, I would highly recommend this. Just try it and you will love it. Your skin will love it. As winters are approaching, our skin tends to get dehydrated, so you can add this into your skincare routine also. So yeah, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, be a part of my Magic Fly family. You will be instantly notified. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.